What's up, guys? This is an Airsoft production with Airsoft Man and Airsoft Ghost, who's going to be doing the shooting tonight. Same with me. We're going to be shooting. Show them real quick. We got 14% health remaining on the laptop. L96 sniper rifle. I showed you the interview on mine. Yeah. And well, pretty much both of our channels. Yeah. So we're going to be shooting at this point. We're going to be shooting at some styrofoam packing, some stuff like that. And hopefully we can get a good few nice shots. So come on, we're going to be hitting right about here, so be watching that. Yeah, we're going to be shooting where we shot the Mossberg at, so just watch that film. We don't got much time to talk right now. Alright, so we should just have the bipod. Don't even know why. I don't think we should set the bipod up. Oh, but whatever, let's do it. You see that one hit? Hold on, we'll fire. I know, don't shoot. I'll take it penetrating. Yes, they are penetrating. They're penetrating and going through. Holy shit! Alright, yeah, keep on shooting. That is nice. Let me get the next couple shots. Let me go reach right now. Shot 2. The thing isn't feeding it. Maybe now. I checked it still has bullet. There we go. We got one more bullet left. Alright guys. Let's see the damage that this bad boy did. Well, let's see. It hit 1. Can we get that closer to the laptop for me? Bring this closer. It hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look at 9. Didn't even see that. Oh my god, the exit wound's worser. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 of them came out, then hit right here. They went through the styrofoam. 1, 2, 3. Did they exit the styrofoam? One exit. Yeah, 1 exited through the styrofoam, so that's a thick box 2 times through the styrofoam, 2 times through that. It went through it. Did it hit that? Right there. No, that was it. That was yeah, right here. 3 of them. 3 bullets right behind the 3rd layer of boxes. That is an impressive sniper rifle. So yeah, guys, that was our shooting test. Hope you enjoyed it. Airsoft Man out. Ghost out. Peace.